everyone. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. But either way, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I want to talk about my November budget. And I know I want to make some changes this month, but I haven't really thought anything through. So I figured I would just kind of work it all out with you all together. So let's get started. All right. So, November. The first thing I want to do is I want to leave a little bit of a larger buffer. I was only leaving about $20 or so. So I want to double that. So for my income, I'm going to work with $1,650 from now on and see how that works. So we'll have $3,300 to work with for the month. I forgot to write in my bills, so let me actually pause and go ahead and do that. I don't want you all to have to sit through me writing all that. So be right back. All right, sorry about that. Okay, so I went ahead and wrote everything down. I do have a little bit more bills this month, but that's okay. Everything's going to be paid. So after all of my bills are paid, I have $1,103 left to work with. So for my cash envelopes, I always do the same. My writing is awful. Let's see. So for fun, I'm going to do 300. Remember, this is all for the month, so all of these totals will get split in half because I get paid twice. So for kids, what do I do for kids? 50. Dining will be 150, gas 100, miscellaneous 80, Amazon 100. Okay, so nope. $780. So when I take 1103 minus the 780 for the cash envelopes, wait, what? 1103 minus 780. I have 323 left. So not a whole lot, but that's okay. All right, let me take a look at what I did last month. So I didn't put anything into sewing, house, groceries, myself, clothing, tummy tuck, holidays, or household. I think I'll probably leave those all alone again. Because like I said, I am making debt and Christmas and travel right now a priority. So let's do debt, emergency, Christmas, travel. I want to write them all down first, and then I'll come back and decide what I want to put in each of them. Birthdays and gifting and car maintenance I want to do because I have some birthdays. And also, I believe our car might need an inspection. I have to check on that. If not, then I'm not going to stuff that one. Okay. Medical, Penelope, because my dog does get her annual checkup in December, so I want to have saved up for that. And then beauty and massage. I have that appointment in December that I want to have enough for. Okay, I'm going to pause here. I want to check on the car maintenance thing because if our inspection is not coming up soon, I'm not going to worry about stuffing that while I have, at least not while I have, bigger things that I would rather get stuffed first. So be right back. Okay, we're back. Sorry about that. But it is a good thing that I checked because I also had a grocery order sitting on the porch that I forgot about. So it is not due till June. So what we're going to do is we're going to take car maintenance off. And I am going to replace that. This is me trying to like erase this neatly, like I write neatly anyway. Okay. So I am going to replace this with Amazon Prime because remember my subscription renews in March and I need to have enough for that. That's going to be $36, $18 per paycheck. And then I also want to add subscriptions here, and I'm going to put 5 in that. So I have $323 left. Let's see. I think I want to have about 100 for savings challenges. It's not going to leave me a whole lot to work with. So if we take away that 100, we take away the 5 for the subscriptions and the 36 for Amazon Prime, we have 182. Okay, so for Christmas, let's do let's do 50 for Christmas. I know that's not going to be enough, but hopefully I'll have some rollover money to play with. I'm really going to try not to spend too much these next few pay periods so that I have a bunch of rollover like I did last time. So we'll see. So 50 for Christmas. Let's do 50 for debt. Then I only have 82 left. Emergency, let's do, let's see. Let's do 30 for birthdays and then maybe just 10 for everything else. Oh no. I wanted to have a little bit more than that for beauty. If I do 20 for beauty, $10, $20, $30. Okay, let me see. Let's do this. Let's do 90. No, let's do 80 for savings challenges. So if we have 323 after our cash envelopes and we take away 80, that leaves us with 243. So actually, let's do 83 so that we have an even amount for our sinking funds. So 323 minus 83, we'll have 240 left. Okay, so 240, take away 5 for the subscriptions, minus 36, minus 30, minus 100. Okay, so we have 69 left. So if I just do 10 for emergency, 10 for travel, if I just do 10 for each of these, then I'll have 29. How? Oh, because I did 36. Okay, then I'll have 29 for beauty. Yeah, no, let's do 35. That's a more even number. And I know I have a couple extra dollars in there from last time I stuffed 20, I think, instead of 18. So I think this was 30. All right, so let's see if this all adds up. So I have 323. So minus 50, 10, 50, 10, 30. That's 35. 83. Okay, perfect. All right, so let's add these up. We got 240. Perfect. All right, so 323 minus 240 should be 83, and it is. Awesome. Okay. Let's carry over all of our totals. Income is 3,300. Bills are 2,197. Cash envelope 780. Sinking funds 240. Savings 83. So if I subtract all of those from 3,300, I should get 0. Perfect. Okay. So, I mean, I could budget less for myself in all of my cash envelopes, but here's the thing. This is my logic, just my opinion and just what I feel is going to work for me. So I would rather have more in my cash envelopes and try to save it and not spend it and carry it over to sinking funds, savings challenges, roll over for the next week, whatever, than try to budget less and then end up having to scramble if I don't have enough money. I think that would actually work against me because then I would try to use a credit card or try to take money from other categories or something like that. So this way has been working for me, budgeting more than I need sometimes. And then, like I said, I can carry over. Like last week, I had, I think, over $100 that I didn't spend, which was wonderful. And then it's always a nice surprise at the end when I get to play some extra savings challenges. So that's my logic for this. I'm not going to, budget any less for my cash envelopes, at least not right now. Again, it doesn't leave a whole lot left over for sinking funds and saving challenges, but it's what works for me so far. So that is it for the monthly budget. Next video, I'm going to go ahead and break down my November 4th paycheck. I may do that just quickly again, like I did last time. I kind of just wrote it all out and then just went over it really quickly in the video. So let me know down below. Do you like to see people write it out and add everything up? Or would you prefer it to be written out and then just gone over quickly? What's your choice on that? Let me know in the comments. And until next time, bye.